Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be learning how to remove background on Photoshop. So the first thing we want to do is to hop onto File and click on Open to select that particular image we want to work on. So for today I'll be working on this image and I like to zoom in, so I would increase that to 100% so that I can see what I am working on very well, just like that. So the next thing we want to do is to go to our right hand side where we have the layers, and we will click on Ctrl+J to duplicate that layer, just like that. So we will click on the eye to shut it up in the background. So the next thing we want to do is to go onto our left and look for our polygonal lasso tool and select it. So what we want to do is to select the whole point in this image. You just have to go around and select. It doesn't have to be perfect, just follow what I am doing. Just like this, we will go around and select around the image. Perfect. So our image has been selected, and we will select and max just above, and we will leave it to process. So we just have to wait just a little bit for the image to process very well before we head on to the next step. So guys, let's watch and see. Perfect. So this is what we have right here. So the next thing we want to do is to hop onto select, and we will select subject. It will ask us, this will discard your current selection. Do you want to continue? So we click on OK and wait a bit for it to process. So we just have to wait a little bit for our image to process. Perfect. So we have our background removed right now. So what we are going to do is to look onto our right hand side just below where we have our output settings, and we will click on decontaminate colors and make sure it's on 100. That is 100%. So we click and make sure it's in 100%, and we click OK. Perfect. So we have our image background removed now. So what we want to do is to click on rectangle, and we will draw a rectangular shape just like that. So we will move this rectangular shape to the back. So go to your layers and drag and bring below, just like that. Amazing. So if you don't like this color, just hop onto your color section and select any colors of your choice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you want to see more, follow me and like my videos. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.